In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to Webflow. If you've ever needed to share a downloadable brochure, a pricing sheet, or a one-pager from your site, this quick workflow will get you there. We'll upload the PDF to your project, then connect it to a button so visitors can access it in one click. Start in your Webflow designer with the project you want to update open. Make sure you're editing the correct site and page where you plan to place the link. It helps to have your PDF saved and ready on your computer with a clear, web-friendly file name like brochure spring 2026.pdf. Open the Assets panel. You can do this by clicking the Assets icon in the left toolbar or by using the keyboard shortcut J. The Assets panel is your site-wide library for images, documents, and other files, and anything you upload here becomes available across your entire project. Upload your PDF to the project, drag and drop the file straight into the Assets panel, or click the Upload button and select it from your computer. Webflow will process the file and add it to the library. For best results, keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly and use a descriptive name so you can find it later. If you ever replace the file, keep the same file name to maintain consistent links. The most user-friendly way to share the PDF is with a button. Add or select a button element on the page section where the link belongs. Update the label to something clear, like download PDF or view brochure, and style it to match your design system so it stands out and is easy to tap on mobile. With the button selected, open the link settings, choose the option to link to a file, then pick your newly uploaded PDF from the list in the Assets library. You can also set the link to open in a new tab for a smoother browsing experience, and for accessibility, ensure the button text clearly describes the action. That's it. The button is now connected to your PDF. Congratulations. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to Webflow and linked it in a clean, professional way. When you preview or publish your site, clicking the button will open or download the document depending on the visitor's browser settings. This simple setup keeps your content organized in Assets and gives your audience a clear path to the information they need.